We'll start our next topic, that is offenses. Different categories of offenses were there, means when you have done any crime, okay, that crime will be categorized into 6 offenses, means 6 तरीके की आपको जब जज ऑर्डर देगा तो that offense will be categorized into 6 categories. Whether your offense will be bailable, non-bailable, whether your offense will be cognizable, non-cognizable, whether it is compoundable and non-compoundable. Okay, compoundable and non-compoundable is not given in your book. We will read only the bailable and non-bailable, and cognizable and non-cognizable. Okay, so there is no definition for bail under the CRPC, although the term bailable and non-bailable has been defined. CRPC में कहीं भी आपको bail की definition नहीं दी है. The term bailable and non-bailable has been defined under section 2 of CRPC. The objection of detention of an accused is primarily to secure his or her physical appearance at the time of trial and at the time of sentence if found guilty. When the person found guilty, then that person go through the trial through the court, and that detention will be categorized into bailable offense है उसका कि non bailable offense है. Now, however, the grant of bail has been made a matter of judicial discretion, means judiciary decide करेगा कि that offense will be bailable or non bailable. The Supreme Court of India held that bail covers release on one's own bound with or without securities. When that offense will be bailable offense, then you can choice for you can file a document for the bail on his own bound और security रखते हुए आपको bail मिल जाएगी कोई offense किया होगा तो. Otherwise, CRPC defines all the offense into the bailable and non-bailable. Now, Section 2A of CRPC deals with the bailable offense, which states that all serious offenses punishable with imprisonment of for 3 years or more have been considered non-bailable. Section 2A deals with the non-bailable offense, means all the serious type of offense will be. So all the serious offenses will be non-bailable, है ना. वर्ड से समझ में आ रहा है. जो भी serious like murder, theft above the 3 years, अगर imprisonment है, डकैती, means these crimes are the serious crimes, so they are bailable, non-bailable, and you can take the bail in the non-bailable offense from the High Court and the Court of Session ही bail पास करेगा. Otherwise subordinate court के पास right नहीं होता bail of इसको bail देने की. If a person accused of bailable offense is arrested, detained without warrant, he will be released on bail. Under section 436 में bail मिल जाती है person को अगर bailable offense है. If the offense is non-bailable, it does not mean that the person accused of such offense shall not be released on bail. In such a matter, such cases, bail is not a matter of right, but only the privilege of the court or discretionary power. Court अपने will से उसमें bail दे सकता है in the non-bailable offense में, but that bail will be granted only by the High Court and the Court of Session. अपनी discretion आपके right नहीं होगी, लेकिन bailable offense में आपका right है कि you can take the bail in the bailable offense. The power to cancel the bail has been given to the court, not to the police officer. This is your MCQ question also. The power to cancel that bail cancel भी हो जाती है अगर लगता है कि उस person फिर से crime करने वाला है या उसको गलत किया उसको bail देके, तो that power will be given to the court, not the police officer. The court will grant the bail, can alone cancel it. The court only जो grant करता है bail वही उसको cancel भी कर सकता है at any stage. Next, anticipatable. Later on we will read. Firstly, cognizable and non-cognizable. Cognizable offense. The CRPC has not given any test or creation to determine the cognizable or non-cognizable offense. Only the first schedule of CRPC, however, indicates that all offenses punishable with imprisonment not less than 3 years are taken as serious offense and are treated as cognizable. Means when the non-bailable offense will be granted, then उसके साथ क्या प्लस करेगा कोर्ट, कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस. ये नॉन बेलेबल ऑफेंस है एंड सीरियस टाइप का ऑफेंस है, मीन्स कॉग्निजेबल सीरियस टाइप ऑफेंसेस. एंड द ऑफेंसेस सच लाइक मर्डर, डकैती, रॉबरी, रेप, किडनैपिंग विल बी कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस. ऑफेंसेस रिलेटेड टू मैरिज इंक्लूड बेगमी, adultery are punishable more than 5 years are imprisonment, yet they are also included in the non-cognizable offenses. ये non-cognizable offenses नहीं होगा. जब तक ये 5 years से above होगा तो cognizable होगा, उससे कम का होगा तो non-cognizable. Other offenses, so the serious have been considered non-cognizable non-cognizable offense only. मीन्स जो ऑफेंसेस आपके सीरियस टाइप के होंगे दैट विल बी रिगार्ड एज कॉग्निजेबल, एंड नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंसेस जो आपके थ्रू द सीरियस हैव बीन कंसिडर्ड एज नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंसेस. मीन्स ऑल द सीरियस ऑफेंस विल बी रिगार्डेड एज कॉग्निजेबल एंड नॉन सीरियस ऑफेंस विल बी रिगार्डेड एट बिलो द 3 years punishment विल बी रिगार्डेड एज नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंसेस. क्लियर? The classification of offences as cognizable or non-cognizable is abruptly and essentially intended to indicate as to whether the arrest is in respect of offence can be made with or without warrant. Means warrant की requirement होती है जब आपके offences non-cognizable है, मीन सीरियस टाइप के offences नहीं है, you can take the warrant from the court and then arrest that person. बट इन द कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस में सीरियस टाइप मर्डर कर रहा है पर्सन, वारंट लेने थोड़ी ना जाएंगे, यू कैन डायरेक्टली अरेस्ट दैट पर्सन विदाउट द वारंट. क्लियर? तो कॉग्निजेबल वारंट विथ वारंट विल बी अरेस्टेड इनको नॉन कॉग्निजेबल नॉन एंड नीड नॉट टू बी विदाउट वारंट कैन बी अरेस्टेड इन द ऑफेंसेस विच इज कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंसेस. विदाउट वारंट कॉग्निजेबल, विथ वारंट नॉन कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंसेस. ओके, क्लियर?